Episode of Just Cooking. I'll be making ribs my way. Okay, so I got my perfect blend of seasoning containing Mrs. Dash, oregano, chili powder, garlic, paprika, and Larry seasoning salt. So I'm going to put this rub on the, I'm about to say pork chop, y'all, but the rib. So I'm going to rub this on. Well, you know, I'm not going to really rub it, I'm going to pat it on. And before you start, with your rib, you have to clean some of that fat off because it's a lot of fat. Then I'm going to flip it over. And you see back here, it's usually skin back here. So I pulled all that skin off so we can get all of the flavors of the seasoning into the rib. So I'm going to season this side with the rub. And brown sugar is in the rub. And I'm going to put this rib in the oven. I'm not going to put it on the grill because usually I put my ribs on the grill. But tonight, I'm going to put it in this oven. So then after I finish rubbing this rib down, I'm going to put a couple of pieces of butter up there, like 3 tablespoons of butter, and close it up. And you see how seasoned that is, how covered it is? I'm gonna just use it all. I'm gonna use all this seasoning. Okay. So I'll be back in a moment. Put my butter on now, and I'm going to close it up. And make sure that it's nice and tight in the foil. If you gotta put another piece of foil around it, do that so all the steam can stay in the foil. I'm gonna put another piece of it. Just so I can make sure that the steam stays in. It's like sucking yourself in for bed. Okay, so now that it's tucked in really tight and nice, I'm going to put it in a 450-degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. Be back in a Just Cooking moment. Done. Take a look at it. It's nice and tender. Our camera woman wants to try it. So I'm gonna let her taste it. Don't even do it. Don't even try it.
It's good.
I know it's good. Okay, so we'll be back in a moment with someone tasting my ribs and my Parmesan garlic roasted potatoes. Be back in a Just Cooking moment. Hey, on tonight's episode of Just Cooking, I made ribs my way and I made roasted Parmesan garlic potatoes with corn on the cob. And Quashira and her friend Orlando is going to let you know just how good it is. Stop looking like that. Bon appetit, guys.
What are you supposed to taste first?
The ribs and the potatoes, basically. The corn is just a bonus piece.
Oh, look at that. You see how it came off the bone?
That's right.
Hey.
Feels good.
Why does it taste better than the sample piece you gave me?
Huh? Because, I don't know. The bones are falling out just like I want them to.
Oh, the potatoes are good.
Yeah.
That's on a Monday.
The ribs good too.
You put ketchup on it?
Ketchup? No. Why would I put ketchup on potatoes? Well, ketchup do go on potatoes, but not those. Okay, so after you guys taste it and let me know just how good it is, you can give it 2 thumbs up, 1 thumbs up. You know the routine, Quashira. All right, 2 thumbs up. Okay, guys, so you have it. There you have it. I'm sorry, but okay, guys, I'm happy you like it, guys. Try it at home. All right, just cooking. Bye.
Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you.